Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a general love reading. It is going to be a pick a card reading about what your person is feeling right now, what are their current feelings. Here we have two options. This is number one and this is number two. So pick your card and the timestamps have been mentioned in the description box, so you can jump to your reading. Okay, so we have only two options, number one, number two. And let's see what your person is currently feeling, what they'll do, what's next in their mind, what their actions gonna be. So let's start with number one. Let's put this aside and see what your person is feeling right now. Let's see what is this card here about. Okay, the Hangman. I think your person is feeling quite stuck, or they are unstucking themselves, either of the two. Okay, they are feeling as if they are stuck in a situation. They can't move, they can't decide, they can't act right. Okay, so they are quite in a dilemma right now. Maybe they're trying to unstuck themselves, okay, from a particular situation. And this is a Piscean card, so maybe you're dealing with someone who has their sun, moon or rising in Pisces. Let's see what more do we have through the tarot. First we'll see what comes up with the Osho Zen deck. Let's see how your person is feeling right now. I hope you can hear my voice. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. You can also reach out to me for personal readings. Except for Pakistan, I can't do readings for you all because I don't have any payment options to receive payment from your side. So except Pakistan, I can take all the payments. Let's see what's happening. What's up with your person? How are they feeling? How are they? What's going on their side? The first card we have is control. Yeah, I told you, they're definitely trying to control some things. They want to dominate the situation. They want to have control onto the situation. They feel as if everything is just out of place, out of balance. They don't have control over things or their emotions. The bottom of the deck is maturity. They think that I think this person needs to have a lot of maturity. Maybe they don't have it. Maybe they are quite immature with their actions and thoughts. So they always want to have control over everything. Maybe you're dealing with a fire sign or especially a Capricorn. Okay, they are expecting control over the situation. Okay, or they're just finding balance in their life. What more do we have? What are they feeling right? Experiencing. I told you, they are experiencing, they are realizing, they are giving a thought to the situation. Maybe they are learning from the experiences they had in the past. And the bottom of the deck is the rebirth. I think they want to reconcile with you. They want to start over something with you. Okay, with this rebirth card, this is number 10. I think some cycles are ending and something new brand is starting here. Okay, I definitely see this person learning from their experiences. Okay, gaining a lot of experiences. What more do we have? Let's see what more do we have for pile number one. Next card we have is existence. Yeah, I told you, either they might be thinking a lot about where they belong to in your life. Okay, maybe they are charged up about their career, or maybe they see the bottom of the deck is miser, not showing much. They are keeping all their feelings to themselves. Okay, I think this person is in a full energy. They want to experience life. They want to experience the other side of the relationship. They want to see how far they can go. So they feel stuck. Okay, they are keeping their feelings tied up to them. They don't want to show much. They don't want to express much. Let's see what comes up through the tarot for you guys. Sorry, excuse me, because I have hurt myself here. So it was bleeding some time ago. I put turmeric onto that. Let's see what's happening. What's happening? What they are feeling like currently. What are their feelings? I'll just pick random cards. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, the High Priestess. So this is I think this person is definitely going through enlightenment. They are going through something drastic. Maybe they are getting spiritually connected. They are enlightening themselves. They are deciding something. As I told you, they are unstucking themselves from a particular situation. whatever it might be, they are in the right mindset now, okay, or they will be in the next 2 weeks or so. This person is definitely taking advices, taking help of someone who does tarot. Maybe they are also into tarot. So something they might be someone is helping them on their spiritual journey. This person is following their intuition. The bottom of the deck is Fool. I told you, definitely this is the Fool energy itself. Okay, this is the Fool, and I see this Existence card also as a Fool card. I see this person is learning from the experiences, okay, wanting to take risk, wanting to take things further with you. They are now like going with the flow. I see this person going with the flow, okay, but this person has a high level of attraction for you. That is something beautiful here. What more do we have? Five of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I see this person or you doesn't trust this person again. Either it is you or this person. Someone doesn't trust the situation now. Maybe someone left the other person, ghosted, or just left the situation without even explaining. The bottom of the deck is Seven of Wands. I think this person had blocked you in the past, went out of your life, just ghosted you, or just went away from you without even, telling you what was your fault. This is Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. They had a lot of passion for you, but this person was fighting like their own will. They were sabotaging the relationship. They blocked you. So this person might unblock you very soon, maybe in the next coming 7 days. But this person thinks as if you have a lot of options, okay, and they don't want to be a part of competition, okay. So they are defending themselves or protecting their energies. What more do we have in their energies? What more do we have, please? Magician. I told you, they're trying to bring their life in order, trying to balance out their lives. This is Gemini energy. Definitely they have all the tools, right, necessary tools to make things right with you. Eight of Swords is the bottom of the deck. I think this person has self-imposed restrictions. Maybe they're not seeing the reality. Maybe they are, I told you, this person is stuck somewhere. Either someone has kept them stuck or they have kept themselves stuck. See, again, Hanged Man is coming up. This is Piscean energy. Definitely this person is wanting to unstuck themselves from a situation that is no longer serving them. And the bottom of the deck is Page of Wands. They're planning, preparing something. This person is really passionate about you, okay. They can't resist you. You're really irresistible to this person. They have a lot of sexual attraction as well. They have their eyes set on you. They see you. They watch you from afar. Maybe this is a long distance relationship. Let's see what's coming up. I also say this person is younger than you, a younger fire sign or a younger Capricorn maybe. What more do we have? Page of Swords. I told you, definitely having their eyes set on you. This is someone younger to you, okay, definitely, or you might be younger to them. They want to come up very straight with what they want, okay, but let them unstuck themselves. They're really stuck into something. This is the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. They have their eyes set on you, maybe spying on you, maybe trying to see what you're going through because they love you. This is Two of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is your soulmate or your twin flame. Definitely a guarded and protected connection. What more do we have in their energies? How do this person sees you? I think this person is keeping their emotions intact. They are showing their practical side, not the emotional one. They have a lot of emotions for you, but this person is not budging. They are not taking action. They are not showing how they really feel. It's because, yeah, I told you, because of the ego they have. This is Aries energy. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person has a lot of ego issues. They have to work on it, okay? They want everything under their control. They want everything just under their control. What more do we have for you? Queen of Wands. They want you to take the action. Or maybe they are about to take the action. This is like about to take the action. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely this person is planning. They have plans to either take action or they're expecting something out of you. The bottom of the deck is Four of Swords. They're not happy without you. Restless, anxious, panicky. Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They're healing from something. Yeah, they're healing from something. What more do we have? Taking the time to heal. What more do we have for you? Next card is Seven of Cups. I told you, many of them think as if they you have a lot of options. This is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Their emotions are just everywhere. They don't have idea about how they feel. They don't have idea about how to go about it. Okay, this person feels as if they are a part of the competition. Why is this so? Yeah, maybe you are quite confident, you are independent, you work for yourself, you earn money, or you come from a very affluent family, you look beautiful, you have everything, and this person doesn't feel quite up to the mark to be with you. Like, they feel insecure about themselves, and that is why they think that anyone can have you, and that is what makes them so insecure. Okay, what more do we have? The Tower, Scorpion energy. I think this person definitely came out of I told you, they are experiencing something recently, maybe at workspace, or maybe in their life or their career. I don't know what, but this person is experiencing a lot of things at a time. See, also you must have said something very bitter to this person when you both last spoke. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This queen is very, very sharp with her words. See, she just says it, okay, and she doesn't even regret about it. What more do we have? What more do we have? Justice, Libra energy. I think this person wants to have a chance with you. They see this as a missed opportunity. They want to make things right with you, and but they are confused. Two of Swords, confused. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Definitely confused. Definitely indecisive. Okay, this is the overall energy. Let's see what advice do we have for you. What advice do we have? Two cards from Moonology Oracle. I will just pick two random cards and let's see what advice do we have for you. One would be this one, and the next would be this one, and the bottom of the deck is you and your loved ones are safe. I told you, you are divinely protected, guided. You might be dealing with a Cancer who has their moon in Cancer. Okay, let's see. The next is what do you need to release? Ask yourself, what do you need to release from your life? Is it the negativity? Is it the bitterness? Is it the need of taking revenge from someone for something? So just release anything and everything, or your doubt, your self-doubt, whatever it might be, you need to release it. The next card we have is bring in love into the situation. Maybe there is a lack of love, trust into the situation, lack of compassion you both have for each other. Maybe someone here is Aquarius or have their moon in the Aquarius. Okay, so definitely I think there needs to be, this relationship should be handled with love. There is a lack of love here. Okay, let's see from my handwritten messages what comes up for you. I'll just randomly pick 5 messages from here. First is this. Let me shuffle this. Next is you need to be strong. Okay, and the bottom, see, you need to be strong, okay, in this situation, and you both are destined to be together. First is the clarity. So situations are going to be resolved. You're going to sense clarity in the situation. See, I told you, some misunderstandings are definitely there. Either this person has misunderstandings about you or you have about them. You're dealing definitely with a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or you might be a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or maybe some Libra, Gemini, Aquarius have caused misunderstanding, or they might bring clarity into the situation. Children, maybe children are involved, maybe they are married, or you know, something like that. Husband wife material. Okay, they see you as their potential husband or wife. So this was it for pile number 1 who chose this Hanged Man card here. Okay, if you liked the reading, if it resonated your situation, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video. Whoever chose this second card, this is Hierophant. I think the overall feelings of your person is they have come to a conclusion. They were deciding something, maybe taking guidance from someone or from themselves, taking time off this connection and thinking what to do. You might be dealing with a Taurus with that Hierophant over there. Okay, or you might be a Taurus. Let's see from the Osho Zen deck what comes up for your person's feelings. What are they currently feeling like? What they expect? Okay, we have our first card. I want 2 more. think your person is seeing they are seeing both sides of the coins. They are judging everything, they are analyzing everything, and they are not being impulsive about any decision whatsoever. Okay, at the bottom of the deck we have is the rebirth. They want to begin the cycle with you. Maybe you both were into a karmic cycle till now, and now they want to start over with you. They want to reconcile. This is their energy. The first card we have is the new vision. I told you, they want to begin something with you. Okay, a new brand beginning they want is what they expect out of you, and they are ready. They have decided something, as I told you. They have contemplated things. They have decided on with themselves and with someone around them, and they are ready. They are ready to jump in. Okay, next we have is nothingness. I don't see any regrets, any doubts, any conflict, any confusion as for now, or in the coming future. They won't have anything left, and they will wanting to start with a clean slate. Okay, nothingness is about a clean slate too. And the next card here is projections. They want to understand you. They want to get to know you. They want to come closer to you and have a fresh new they want to have a fresh new start with you. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, let's see what do we have from the tarot deck. What messages? If you haven't liked the video, please do so. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to reach out to me for personal readings, except for the Pakistani clients, as I don't have any way to accept payments from Pakistan as of now. So if you're from US, Canada, Norway, no matter where you are from, you can reach out to me for personal readings. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number. Please reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Let's see what's coming up for your person's feeling. How are they feeling right now? The bottom of the deck is Three of Wands. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. I think this person is planning. They are looking back, projecting, analyzing, as I told you. Let's see what do we have. First card is the Tower. Sudden changes. Maybe they had a harsh realization. Maybe something just went down crumbling. They didn't expect this breakup or this separation in this connection. Okay, but they had to witness this in order to contemplate on things and decide for themselves. But now they have healed. They have come up, and this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Definitely expecting something better. You can expect something better in next coming 6 weeks or so from this person. Maybe they are planning victory with you, as far as I can see this. This is Scorpion energy. I definitely see this person has realized a lot about this connection. What more do we have? I'm also sensing this person guilty about something, whatever they have done. I don't know what that is about. King of Pentacles. This person you are dealing with is very, very adamant. They are very much stubborn, this person. They might be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I see this person also might be your boss or someone in an authoritative position, or might be someone who always wants to dominate the situation no matter what. Okay, this person always wants to dominate the situation. They aren't expressing much right now. Okay, they have feelings, but they are diverting their energies and their attention elsewhere to keep themselves away from thinking about you. But all they have inside of them is love for you. This is Aries, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I don't know why I said that. Maybe you're dealing with air sign or fire sign, but I think they see you as their wish fulfillment. Okay, definitely have a lot of feelings for you. I expect a 10 of cups in this reading. I don't know why, weirdly. Okay, let's see what more do we have. The Lovers, the Gemini energy. Definitely this is your twin soul, twin flame. Okay, you are on twin flame journey. This, you know what, if things haven't been good for you, if it's been rough from a past few days or months, it's going to be okay. You both love each other. This person feels a lot of love. I think they show a lot of aggression, stubbornness. Maybe they don't show as much of their feelings, but they love you. This person has a lot of love for you. Your relationship is guided and protected, and they want a new beginning with you. With this Ace of Pentacles in the bottom of the deck, maybe they will come with a very practical approach towards you. Maybe they will start out with helping you or asking help from you, maybe a monetary help. Okay, let me pick, I told you, let me pick up that card. I told you, I was intuitively getting this feeling that I will have 10 of cups, and it just flew and fell on the ground, and wow, 10 of cups. I didn't want to edit it. Okay, I'm just out of words. I wanted this card. I was expecting this card in this reading, and here it is. I see this person has an immense love for you. I don't know how much they show it on the outside, but inside of them, wow, from 9 of cups to 10 of cups, beautiful, but a lot of confusion too. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person feels as if there is a lot of competition. Maybe you have a lot of people around you. Maybe other people have your attention and they don't like it. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, wow, that is something beautiful. What more do we have? Communication. They want to communicate to you. Expect sudden communication from this person. Maybe you're sleeping and at 2 in the midnight you're going to get their call or a text. Okay, so be ready for that in the next 7 to 8 days maybe. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is Fool. Maybe now you are not even expecting. This person is showing as if they're in this Fool energy. They are not interested, but they will. Okay, they are quite interested. This person has a huge ego. I mean, oh my god, there is a huge ego this person has. Definitely an earth sign. 4 of Wands. They want, see, 10 of Cups, 4 of Wands, stability. They want a stable relationship with you. They dream of this stable relationship with you. They feel whenever they are with you, they feel as safe, quite safe and secure, and they want to work on this relationship. Maybe they are working very hard in their career, their finances, just to give you that stable life. Okay, maybe you're dealing with someone of fire sign, as I told you. What more do we have? The next we have is Justice. I think this person wants to serve you justice, and universe is definitely going to serve you justice no matter what. You have done much, and now you will be rewarded. You will be this person will be serving you justice, and the bottom of the deck is 7 of Pentacles. Okay, maybe for some of you, they were because 4 of Wands and Justice together with 7 of Pentacles, maybe they are married. The person you're dealing with is married, or you are married and you want to someone wants to get divorced, but it's not happening because of the money issue involved here, something like that. I don't know what's that, but it might resonate with someone out there, so I'm just wanting to express it. But this person feels right now, they feel justice needs to be served, and no matter what they do, it's never enough. Okay, what more do we have? Ace of Swords, a new beginning. They want to come up straight with their offer. They don't want to say hi, hello, let's begin, but they want to come up straight. They'll be very practical about it. They'll be very clear about it. And the bottom of the deck here also is a 7 of Cups. They don't know how to bring this communication, how to say things to you, but they will, and this will be very direct. Okay, very sudden and very direct. What more do we have? Wow, King of Wands. Maybe they waited for you to express your feelings, for you to initiate the communication, but you did not. I think many of you did not even bother to ask them, why are you not even talking to me? And this is really making them mad. Okay, this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, and the bottom of the deck is 2 of Cups. Yeah, they feel as if your love is just lost. Okay, but you don't worry, there is love, there is love. What more do we have? Last card please for pile number 2, 2 of Cups. I told you, there is immense love here. 2 of Cups. This is divinely guided and protected connection. If you're away from this person, in next 2 weeks or so, you're going to reunite with this person. They don't want to feel this way. They are feeling very depressed and lonely. Okay, I think this person is just looking at the cups that are no longer having emotions into them. They're not looking behind of them where they have 2 cups filled. 2 cups. Okay, these are the 2 cups. They will surely. Okay, let's see what do we have from the Moonology. This was beautiful reading, indeed a beautiful reading. I would really appreciate if you would like the video, because that's the only way you can show me your appreciation. Okay, what do we have here? Adjustments are required. I think you are not budging. Maybe you are being too adamant, or this person is being too adamant. They need to compromise on something. And the bottom of the deck we will see later. Step out of your comfort zone. Maybe you're not feeling quite confident now because it took too long, or maybe they are not feeling quite confident. I think you need to be accepting of the situation. Maybe you are not allowing things to unfold naturally. You need to really, a personal issue reaches resolution. Definitely something is about to get resolved, so be ready for that. Okay, let's see what do we have from the handwritten messages. Okay, I'll just randomly pick out some cards over here. Okay, no, I won't take that. Okay, and the bottom of the deck and the front of the deck is family issues. Maybe someone of you are dealing with family issues, and the bottom of the deck is destined. You both are destined to be together. Next we have is intuition. Follow your intuition. You need to follow your intuition. See what your gut is saying. Move on. In some cases, maybe your intuition is saying move on. Okay, blindfold. Maybe you are just being blindfolded and not trusting your intuition. You need to. I just want one more. Boundaries. You have set boundaries. You are blindfolded. So that's what's causing the issues. Maybe children are involved. In the first reading also it came out, and in the next reading also. Maybe I told you someone is married, and maybe something is involved. Maybe children, maybe money. So that is why they are not taking any action. Spirituality. So you need to pray more. You need to meditate more. You need to connect to the, to the higher realm to get your answer. So that was it for pile number 2. Whoever chose this Hierophant card, if you like the reading, please hit the like button. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.